Most engineering organizations have adopted generative AI, yet delivery speed, cycle time, and roadmap capacity often look the same. That's because most teams change the tools, not the delivery model. AI-assisted coding speeds up individual tasks, but work still moves one step at a time through the same handoffs, approvals, and bottlenecks. Parallel coding changes how work flows. Instead of optimizing individual steps, Lumenalta's AI-native operating system allows multiple work streams to advance at the same time, safely and predictably. Senior engineers break work into independent threads. Agentic AI executes repeatable tasks in parallel. Guided by AtlusAI, our contextual AI engine that provides shared memory, decision traceability, and built-in governance across every stream. The result is faster cycle times, higher throughput, and delivery that doesn't stall. When AI is on the roadmap, the operating model and the context behind it matter more than the tools.